assembly, trailing on the upper side, leading on the lower. TNL you can see there. So we're going to replace the spark plugs, the leads as well, and coil packs just for peace of mind. So from the top of the engine we'll start first by removing the airbox, this connector hose to the throttle body, and go down from there. And if we look from within, see a rather tired looking HT lead just here, curling round. Here we have our coil packs and the top half of the HT leads. From the look of the connectors, they have been replaced before, which is good news, but we don't know what coil packs are in there, so let's get one off and have a look. So this is the coil that's come off. It's a Mazda part numbered coil version C, which is the latest. Now followed Essex Rotary, and it does seem to have all the right markings and hallmarks of a genuine coil pack. So it's not just laser printed, there's actually depth to the stamping of the part numbers. We have stamp numbers inside the connector. We have a focuses, a number on the shoulder of the coil pack, nice and silver inside. The coil pack itself is matte coloured, not shiny. A nice firm boot here, and inside the top here we also have some part numbers. The sleeve itself is rolled inside the bolting point, so it has all the hallmarks of genuine coils. So that's a genuine coil. Let's check the others. So here we have our 4 coils. They are all version C, genuine Mazda coils. Now, there's no known failures of these, and my car is running a little bit on the rich side, but otherwise okay. I bought some coils for replacement of these in case they were non-genuine or fakes, and they weren't original ones that I've bought, but now that I've done all my checks thanks to Essex Rotary, I believe these are genuine coils. There's no visual signs of failures, a little bit mucky, but I'm actually going to stick with these and return my non-genuine cheap as chips ones, and I think for very good reason. So these ones will go back in, new spark plugs, HT leads, and we should have some better running. So I've labelled these leads 1, 2, 3 and 4. It doesn't necessarily combine to the actual designations, but it tells me which lead goes to which place, so I don't plug the wrong coil pack into the wrong spark plug. So good practice. Right, we'll head underneath and get the spark plugs changed and get some new leads on. So here are our 4 plugs. So I'm going to struggle to hold this, so I'll probably pop it in from the top to the bottom and you can watch me change them. Here we go. As you can see, these spark plugs really needed doing. Really deteriorated, tarnished, worn, very burnt out. Surprised the car was even running without a misfire like this, so this should make things loads better. On with the rest and then we'll get the leads on.